Hey guys, it's Dad and Lucy here, and we bought some fireworks with our hard-earned flip money. So we're gonna light them off, and then Lucy's gonna review them.
Yep.
The next one here, we have the soda fountain spark. So we will take out the wick here, and we will try it out. So let's see what it does. I'd like to apologize to my neighbors for the smoke cloud.
So Lucy, what'd you think?
Well, I'll rate a 6, but because of all the smoke, I'll bring a point down by 1, so basically a 5 in total.
Cool. I would give it a 4, but a 10 out of 10 for smoke.
Tell us what you guys think in the comments.
Oh yeah.